Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, go to background apps, and then make sure to turn off this option. You will find it like that. Turn it off and then go back, close it, and go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers and check for updates. Make sure to install the latest update and then go to settings, scroll down and make sure to turn off in-game overlay and turn on image scaling. Just click on it and you will wait a few seconds and then try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.